Welcome everyone. On this how-to video, we are going to cover how to do the initial setup on a Uniview NVR. Okay, in this video we are going to assume that you have already done all of the physical parts of the installation, including connecting all of your cameras to the recorder and have a physical network line plugged into the NVR. Okay, so plug in your NVR to power, wait for it to finish booting up, and when you get to the first screen, you will get prompted to enter in a password. The default password for all Uniview products is 123456. After entering this in, you will be prompted to enter in a unique password. The unique password will need to adhere to Uniview's enhanced password mode, which means you'll need to create a password using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering a password that adheres to Uniview's enhanced password mode, you will need to enter in the same password in the confirm field. After entering in the passwords, it'll ask you to enter in an email address. The email address is used in case you forget your password and would like to get a password reset sent to you. This is not required, but it is highly recommended because password resets are the most common tech support question that comes up. After you enter in both passwords and an email address, make sure to write them all down and keep them in a safe place, and then hit apply to continue to the next screen. After hitting apply, you'll be prompted to update the password to all of the connected cameras. This is an optional thing once again, but we highly recommend that you hit yes at this step. After hitting yes, you just need to wait for all of the cameras that are connected to get updated and then hit OK. Now you'll be able to enter in a pattern that can unlock your NVR. After entering in the same pattern twice, you'll be prompted to read and review the privacy policy. Once you have agreed to it, you can hit the checkbox in the bottom left corner and then tap OK. After this, the next thing you'll see is the QR code to add the NVR to the app. As you may not actually be ready to do it at this stage, you may want to watch my how-to video on how to use the Uniview EasyView app and come back to this later. The next page is just for setting up time zone. Pretty straightforward. Find your time zone on the drop-down list. You can make any modifications that you see here. Once you're happy with how the time zone is set up, you can click Next. The next page is for setting up your network. If you do not already know the IP address you want, then we recommend you leave it on DHCP and hit OK. Next, it'll prompt you to change the resolution if it finds a better fit for your monitor. And that completes the wizard setup, and your NVR is ready for use using the standard settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see all of our latest product and how-to videos at WeSupplySecurity.com.